How do we express perfect square trinomials as square of a binomial? Now, first, if we have x squared plus 4x plus 4, how do we know that this one is a perfect square trinomial? Now look at the first term. It must be a perfect square, so x squared is perfect. And the last term, it should also be a perfect square, and 4 is a perfect square. Now, how do we express this? As this form, or square of a binomial. This is an easy way. So we have to get the square root of the first term, which is x. Carry the sign of the middle term, we have plus, and take out the square root of the last term, which is 2, and then put a square sign. So that's how easy it is to express perfect square trinomials as square of a binomial. Another example from here. So we need to get the square root of the first term, which is h. Sign of the middle term is negative, and then square root of the last term is 7. So we have h minus 7 squared. Another one, so just the same step. Get the square root of the first term, sign of the middle term, square root of the last term, so we have x plus 9 squared. Our next example is a fraction, but do not get distracted with that because the process is still the same. Get the square root of the first term, sign of the middle term, and then the square root of the last term. So 49 has a square root of 7, while 4 has a square root of 2, so we have r minus 7 over 2 squared. Another example here, so we have the same step. Square root of s squared is s, sign of the middle term is positive, square root of the last term. We have for 9, we have 3, and for 64, we have 8. So we have s plus 3 8 squared.